Japan is known for technology and innovation, but beyond its cities exists a powerful air force, protecting one of the most important regions on Earth. Located near several military powers, Japan must constantly monitor the skies around its territory. After World War II, Japan rebuilt its aviation forces with a new mission, defense of its airspace. Today, Japan operates advanced air bases. They are designed for rapid response. For decades, the F-15J has been the backbone of Japan's air defense. The first line of defense is information. Japan's radar network watches the skies every second. The arrival of the F-35A changed Japan's air power, with stealth technology and advanced sensors.
The pilot is connected to a battlefield of information through advanced electronics.
Technology is powerful, but skilled pilots remain the most important element. Japanese fighters frequently scramble. Japan does not rely only on fighters. Early warning aircraft provide a complete picture of the battlefield. Long-range missions require another capability: keeping aircraft in the sky for extended operations. Facing missile threats, Japan developed one of the most advanced defensive networks in the world. Constant training keeps Japan's pilots ready for any challenge. Constant training to challenge. Behind the aircraft is a powerful aerospace industry built on precision engineering. Japan is already preparing the future with a new generation of combat aircraft. The future battlefield will not only be about aircraft, but also sensors, satellites, and technology. From the F-15J to the F-35 and the future generation fighters, Japan continues building one of Asia's most advanced air forces. The sky above Japan is protected by technology, training, and innovation. Subscribe to Technology Aircraft for more aviation stories.